not move the way you moved here without escort or without a convoy. You are now a witness. Your van drove into Karamoja in the night without escort. That's testimony of the transformation in terms of the security of Karamoja. Number two, you are seeing the developments taking place across the country, across this region. Tarmac roads, first-class maram roads, electricity you have seen for yourselves. When I was here, there was no electricity. When I was here, water was an issue. Water is running in the taps. So Karamoja is on the rise. If the man who said we shall not wait for Karamoja to develop came around today, he would be embarrassed, I'm very sure. So for me, I'm very proud of the work of the 3rd Division under the leadership of Major General Don Nabasa. They have done a tremendous job. Together with the previous commanders, we have built a stable Karamoja that everybody is priding in. You have just witnessed 2 guns are being handed in by Karachunas. That's already the testimony that people have confidence in the security they have, they can surrender the guns. So I'm very, very proud of what our young men and women have done to restore peace in Karamoja.
I find people are worried about the death of their leaders and some of them are asking for guns to protect themselves.
Criminality exists everywhere. Even in New York, people are killed by criminals. The bottom line is not the order of the day. You are counting how many people in how many years? Two people in 10 years? Leaders, is that an issue to be worried about? Of course not. And 3, when you give guns to the community, it means you have failed, you as the state, to provide security for them. And yet the reason the state exists is to ensure peace and the safety of the population. So we shall, after all, you have heard the division commander telling you, the ones who killed the earlier chairperson were apprehended. Even this one, we are going to apprehend him. Well, the UPDF leadership is initiated this baraza of today so that you could witness for yourselves what the people are saying, the testimonies on the ground. But 2, it's a very, very good idea because barazas enable the community to give you feedback to the services you give them. I trust that the ministers for Karamoja were here, they have heard for themselves, the local leadership. I'm very sure government will indeed support the idea of regular barazas because we know as UPDF, barazas facilitate and promote good governance. Ekisooka nenyumiriza mmaje gaffe agali wano agakulemberwa kano Major General Don Nabasa gazimbye emirembe gye twali tuyayanira egyali gyonondwa mu myaka nga 7 egiyise kubanga 2010 mpaka 2009 mpaka 2019 twalina emirembe ng'emmundu tuzimazeemu. Kati emmundu ezibadde zaakomezebwawo nga zitandise okwonoona emirembe gy'abantu baffe okubba emmundu nazo zizo bazimazeemu gy'emirembe gye mulabye. Mmwe mwennyini muli bajulizi mwazze kiro nga temulina na escort ebawerekera kubanga Karamoja eri ntende. Kino tekijja kuddirira. So tuli basanyufu ng'amagye nti kino kituuseewo era mwerabiddeko n'agammwe. Owulidde bampadde erinnya olw'okuba nzize mu makungula g'omuwemba Lodweng n'okunyambaza banyambaza nga Ereda mu bagiye ku ssaawa eno nange ndi mugiye onyongeddeko amanya kitange ge yantuuma. Kitegeeza ki? Nti abantu basiimu basanyufu olw'egyo emirimu gye twakoledde nga UPDF. Tikyetaagisa obumenyi bw'amateeka buli wamu bubeerawo. Ekisinga obukulu abamenya amateeka tubakwata. Owulire division commander ng'akubuulira abatooli babakwata bali mu kkomera. Na bano abasoono tujja bakwata bavunaanibwe tebalina gye balaga. Mulabye emmundu ezireeteddwa abatuuze abadde bayina emmundu nga bazikozesa kubba ente balaba nti bafunye obwesige okuleeta emmundu ezo ne baziwaayo. Buno bujulizi obw'enkalakkalira nti wamma ggwe obutebenkevu bukomyewo mu Karamoja. Ate basabye enkuŋŋaana zino baraza enkuŋŋaana kintu kirungi nnyo era kikulu kubanga kikuyamba gwe omukulembeze okufuna ebirowoozo by'abantu ba bulijjo engeri gye balamu emirimu gye bakolera. Nsuubira nga baminisita bakiwulidde n'abakulembeze ab'omu kitundu nga chairman 5 nti bajja kuteeka amaanyi mu kubeerawo n'enkuŋŋaana zino buli wakiri myezi 3 bamanye abantu kye balowooza naki kye bandyagadde kibakolebwe oba ekyongezebwamu amaanyi. Mwebale nnyo.
Yes. Well, what I can say is that today has been a successful day. You saw what happened. Two Karashuna surrendered 2 guns, and as the leadership of Kotudo, we remain committed to the disarmament exercise. We remain committed to peace mobilization. On the issue of the chairman that we lost, we still have wrong elements within our community, and we remain committed to continuing mobilization so that all the illegal guns which are in the hands of the Karachuna are surrendered. Of course, the killers of the illicit chairman are known. The security forces are up to the task. They will take all the necessary steps possible to see that those killers are brought to book. I'm very confident. I trust the UPDF. And then on the question to do with the illicit asking for firearms, for guns, I don't think that would be a wise decision for us as the security or the leadership of 3rd Division to arm the illicit race. No, that will give a major threat again to their lives. But the best to do is to continue with the disarmament exercise and continue with peace building. That's the only solution. Arming the illicit race may not be the most appropriate solution to securing them. Yeah.
Thank you.
Santi.
I had my friend, the leader of Turkana, of Karachuna here, who was saying that they no longer have the capacity to cross to Turkana. But I know. But I know that some of our stubborn boys keep attempting to cross to Turkana and steal them. Of course, the fact that you have now embraced peace and surrendered the weapons, if you attempt to cross to Turkana to steal, then you are touching fire with the naked hand.
So to yende ata marani matano ro de Turkana ama arate mardo to ko na do to yende ata manyakazi ngatomian to yende ata mari itate te nya kimine rizai ankan.
Because the Turkana community has not been disarmed.
Ani ara imam nyinya kuna nya kara Turkana ngatomian afkani ket. Iyakazi ke potre gerika urete woni to bigine te kitela.
So I want to request that we don't continue disturbing them because they will come with fire and disturb the community again.
I had another leader was again killed with another army officer. What is this? Nijie, what is it? Remove this thing completely so that we allow the police to move forward. I am talking with a lot of power because I know I'm your father. As a Panicola, 1967.
It got initiated in 1967.
When I was very young. So even anywhere I go to Madeniko, I talk as an elder, not even as a minister. Even if we go where we have killed the bull, I can catch anybody from here. I want peace. And that's why you are saying, Papa, come. It means you know. My wife studied here in that girls' school which was here long ago. When I was transferred here, I went and collected her in the 70s. This question of running around, we remain poor forever ourselves. Karamoja suffers. There are many things, there are many crops they want to bring here if we are peaceful everywhere in Karamoja. They will change Karamoja. There is like you talk of anything you will like. It will come. Water, government is preparing to say, let us give water the whole country, not only Uganda, I mean Karamoja.
I am a very proud chairman who has mobilized the Karachuna to embrace the disarmament exercise. I can say with confidence, since the launch of Operation Salama kwa Wote, we are able to mobilize over 600 guns. Over 600 Karachuna who surrender the guns to General Nabasa. And as a result, significant progress has been registered. There is now peace in Karamoja in Kotido.